Note that in this first phase of step 4, we are simply searching for and trying to find disciplinary insights. We will closely read the information we find and organize that information in the next phase. To begin the initial literature search, we can use the university library's online resources to find peer-reviewed publications like those in academic and professional journals. These sources are the primary means of communicating research in the social sciences. You can search by database, like Academic Search Premier, EBSCOhost, and PsycINFO, or by journal, and there are tens of thousands across all the disciplines. Examples of journals include the Social Science Quarterly and the Journal of Applied Psychology. Experts may also report their findings as papers delivered at professional meetings and conferences, as dissertations, as government documents, or policy reports. We can also search by the subject that interests us. The library's homepage has a number of tutorials and self-help tools for new researchers. Then we should consider books like monographs, reports, and anthologies. Although the information in these books is not usually peer-reviewed, they can provide useful information that disciplinarians may have missed or ignored. We might also find relevant encyclopedia articles. So long as the author's credentials are strong, these articles can provide an overview that is not as biased toward one discipline. Here is chart 5.1 from Newman's textbook, Social Research Methods, published in 2006. This is the chart that your textbook discusses. This chart describes several types of publications that social scientists use in their research. Please take a moment to pause the video and review the chart. You may want to come back to it and use it as a resource when you complete this week's assignments. The initial literature search is conducted by using subject searches and keyword searches. Subjects and keywords can also help us in the next phase. These two types of searches can also help us in the next phase of step 4, to verify information like direct quotes and to find gaps in the literature. When we want to search broadly, we should use subject searches and look across disciplines. A subject search will show us publications from a variety of disciplines. To be successful here, we need to know the terminology used by each of these disciplines. When we want to search more narrowly, say within a single discipline, we should use keywords, a few words that represent the problem or topic of interest. Once again, we need to be familiar with how each discipline labels the phenomena we are studying. How might we do this? We can use disciplinary handbooks, dictionaries, encyclopedias, and my favorite, introductory textbooks, especially the appendices and glossaries. These sources often highlight the basic terminology of a discipline. Once we are more familiar with how different disciplines label the same phenomena, we can identify similarities and differences between their perspectives